Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make buttons work on your Wix website, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your website editor by clicking Design Site in the bottom left, but I've already opened it up for the convenience of us not having to wait for it to load. Now, once you have your page open, and once you have your editor open, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, add a button. You can go to Add Elements by clicking on the plus here and then selecting Buttons, which is the third option from the top. And here you have a couple of different style options. You have themed buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons, etc. The iTunes button, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. You can use whichever you would like. I'm just going to go with the simple themed button. I'm just going to go with this black one. Just going to click on it and drag it over to my page, just like so. Let me line it up to the middle. And as you can see, we have the button over here. But if I go to the preview now, as you'll be able to see, the button doesn't do anything. It turned black because my Opera is glitching out, so forgive me, but as you can see, clicking that button doesn't do anything. But if I go back to the editor, and again, that black background doesn't have anything to do with the button, it's just my system acting up. But to make the button work, you need to click on it twice, and you have the settings. You can also click on link over here, but you can go into settings and you can click links to and then choose a link. You can select none if you just want no link. You have the page option where you'll link to another page on this website. You have the web address where you need to enter a URL either in the new window or in the current window. You also have advanced SEO settings if you want to. You have sections or anchors, tops or bottoms of the page, document, email, phone number, lightbox, whatever you want. Let's say for this tutorial, I'll just go with the page, select, I don't know, careers, click done, and as you can see, that button is now set up. Now if I go to the preview, you will see that once I click this button, just like that, again, forgive the black background, my entire screen goes black for some reason. My Opera is really acting up, but as you can see, by clicking that button, we made it to the careers page, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.